I'm glad you guys are going to start your TikTok journey and go viral in no time. Of course, no, TikTok has not been going down. TikTok has not been dying. It is probably the biggest opportunity ever to go viral on TikTok. More creators is on the app. Monetization is going to start shortly. 3-minute video is going to start shortly. And it is still the #1 app on the App Store. And it's going to stay there for a long time. So guys, don't sleep. Don't just not post or don't start because you think you're too late. You're not too late. You're on a perfect time. Like I said, your chance of going viral after the video is going to be almost guaranteed 100%. And yeah, start creating right now. What's going on, guys? It's Caroflex Bama here, and I'll be helping you growing on TikTok literally the fastest way humanly possible. Comment down below any inquiries you have. I'll be reading and answering every single comment, and then also click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on one video on any algorithm change or anything, because I promise you, you're gonna go viral and you're gonna have 1 million followers in no time. Firstly, as a new creator, post 5 to 7 times daily. It shouldn't take you long. It shouldn't take you longer than 10 to 15 minutes. I'll be showing you later in the video how you can create 5 to 7 videos in less than 15 minutes, 5 to 7 times every single day. Then guys, focus on the trends. Why I'm saying this is because that the trends is working. TikTok knows there's an audience for it. It's on the For You page. People are blowing up. So all you have to do is do a duet or a stitch. That's all, and you're gonna blow up as well. Don't try and make original content every single post and it's not working. I'm not saying do not make any original content, but like I said, if you want to grow, the fastest way possibly on TikTok at this moment is by using trends. Trends is the way to go. Now, like I said, post 5 to 7 times. The more you post, the higher the odds is going to be of you going viral. I mean, if you post once a day for a week, that's 7 posts in the end of the week. That means in 7 posts, 1 needs to go viral. Now think if you post 5 to 7 times every day, which means let's say only 5 times a day, that's in the end of the week 35 posts. Now the chance of 1 out of 35 going viral is way more likely to go viral than 1 out of 7, if you understand what I mean. So post 5 to 7 times every single day. Now obviously now the beginners have to find what hashtag works for them, what time they should post, and what type of content they should be putting out. Now, you should play around with different types of videos, different types of hashtags, different types of content. And if you find one that has went viral, that is your content. Start recreating it, reposting it. Reposting your viral video is probably the biggest hack at this moment to go viral and to literally skyrocket your views and followers on TikTok. You can go from one video that's gone viral, reposting it, literally, and even go more viral than your first video. Repost a trending video. But first, play around with videos. Look what video is going to work for you. Look what hashtags. Look what time you posted it. Everything, and then start building from there. Now guys, post trending content. Now Carlo, where do I find trending content? So firstly, you scroll through the For You page. Look videos that is the same the whole time, over and over and over. That is trending content. Try and recreate that type of content and post it. Look what hashtags the top creators were using, and use the same hashtags, exactly the same hashtags. Then secondly, look on the explore page and look what is trending at the moment. Post videos in that niche. Post videos 5 to 7 times every single day. And then lastly, look what's the top performing videos in your niche. Search hashtag, let's say relationship niche, hashtag relationships. Look for the top videos and duet or stitch them, or create a better video with the same information basically. Because that's going to show TikTok, I already have an audience for this. This type of content has already been sent out over there and been going viral. So I'm going to push your content out, and your content is going to go viral. And what's going to happen? You're going to skyrocket views. Like in no time. You won't believe, you will never believe until you stop. Like I said guys, you have to start as well. Start creating. Don't just watch this video and don't take anything out. Pause the video when you want to. Write everything down and start creating, because you see in no time, less than a week, less than 2 weeks, maybe less than a few hours, you can go viral. That's the power of TikTok. TikTok is unpredictable, but it is the social platform to go the easiest viral and the easiest to build an audience from scratch. Now guys, if you're over 1k followers, go live after you post. This is one of the biggest hacks as well to go viral, is by going live, because you're going to get people in your live. TikTok sees that this account is keeping people on the app, which means they're going to send out your videos more. And what's going to happen after your live, you're going to get more followers, more engagement, more views, everything. Go live every single time after you post. Guys, incentivize engagement in your videos. Every single post, the last 3 seconds of your video, even if it's in text or you say it, but tell them to click the plus sign. The people will automatically click it, automatically gain followers, and you need to do that in every single post. Incentivize engagement in every single post. Now lastly, this is a checklist you want to do for every single post. If you don't do one of these stuff, or you only do 5 out of 6, your video is not going to do well. The chance of you going viral is very low. And why? Because you're not doing all these steps. So if you don't do these steps, don't even bother posting, don't even try and make content, it's not going to do well. So this is the secret. This is the checklist you want to do on every single video. Firstly, duet and stitch prior success videos. Go onto the For You page, look what's trending, duet that video or stitch that video. It is the easiest way to go viral, is by duet and stitching videos. Secondly, post at the right time. Now this is the times, guys. I have said in my previous video, I'll say it again. 10 AM to 12 PM, 2 PM to 4 PM, and after 7. Post on all these time slots. Post on every single, don't just post on one of them, post on every single one. Look after a week which time is the best for your type of content or your audience, and then post then on that time. If you see it's 2 PM and your video went viral, and tomorrow 2 PM your video is doing better than your other videos, you know 2 PM is your time. Post on every single time they're just given you a course. It is the trending time to post, and TikTok is geo-focused, which means post it in your location. Then thirdly, in every single post, use trending sounds. Listen to what I'm telling you. In every post, even if it's duet, original content, stitches, green screen, everything, use trending sounds. Even if you have to mute the sound but it's still there, use trending sound. You're gonna get way more views. TikTok is gonna see this is a trending sound. Like I said, trendiness is the most important thing on TikTok at the moment. It is trending. It's gonna go on the For You page and you're gonna go viral. Fourthly, incentivize engagement. Tell the people in the last 3 seconds of your video, click the plus sign for more, or click the plus sign, or share this video. Try and get more engagement, because if you can get followers from a video, then TikTok sees it as, okay, this is a good video. The people are actually following this account of this video, so we're going to send this video even out more and more and more, and you're going to go more viral in no time. So tell them, or on script, click the plus sign. And then you need your first 3 seconds to have a hook. What I mean by hook is you have to make it interesting and for the people to want to watch a video till the end. Because if the person goes to the For You page, they want to look, okay, if they see something in the beginning, like the first 3 seconds, they're like, yo, wait, this is interesting. They're going to watch the video. So be interesting. Be creative. Look what the top creators in your niche are doing in the beginning. Try recreate it, but have a hook in your first 3 seconds, because if you don't have that, your video is not going to go viral at all. It's not going to do well. And why? You don't have any hook. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you find this helpful. If you did, smash the like button, click the subscribe button, and like I said, comment down below any inquiries, any questions you have, anything. It doesn't matter. I'll read and comment back every single comment that I get. But yeah, hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's grow.